my channel. My name is Geetika and today I'm going to show you how to make a very tasty muruku. The ingredients that we will be needing for this recipe are 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of ajwain, salt according to your taste, 1 glass of water, 2 cups of rice flour, a small cup of oil, 3 tablespoons of roasted split chickpeas. Now for the twisty shape of the muruku, we need the muruku presser. Now let's begin with the recipe. First, heat some oil on a pan and we'll come back to it later. Take the rice flour and add the chili powder into it. Then add the ajwain. The salt and mix them all together. Now take the roasted split chickpeas and add it into a blender. And then blend it. After blending, this is how it looks, and I'm going to add this into our mixture. Now mix well. And now I'm going to add some of the oil into the mixture. Now mix it together. Now add some water at a time and keep mixing it. I'll show you how it looks after I'm done mixing it. I have finished mixing it and this is how it looks. Now I'm going to take small parts of the dough and shape it into an oval. It does not have to be perfect. Now I'm going to take my imperfect oval and put it into the shaper. Now take the oil and squeeze the dough from the shaper into it. Then I'm going to let it fry for a while. It's been a while and I'm sure it's fried, so I'm going to take it out of the oil. The muruku is ready. Now you can make some more and enjoy it. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to my channel. And share this video to your friends and family. Bye.